Hello students, welcome to my channel Biology by Monica Sharma. Today we will discuss the revised or the reduced syllabus of class 12th. You might have got the information from the various sources with the help of the media that there is the change, or you can say there is the reduced syllabus in case of 10th, 9th, 11th and 12th. So today we will discuss the reduced or the revised syllabus of session 2020 to 2021 and why this reduced syllabus is there. That is due to the COVID-19. So let us discuss. So there are the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. There are the 5 unit in class 12th, and why it is written here the 6th unit, because up to the 5th unit we have done in 11th class. It's the first unit of class 12th, but in your syllabus it is mentioned 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So in 6th unit, what is the name of the 6th unit? That is the reproduction. And in this unit, chapter 1st, that is totally removed from the syllabus. And the name of the chapter is reproduction in organism. After that, in the 7th unit, the name of the unit is genetics and evolution. So in this unit, chapter 7, that is evolution, it is also totally removed from the syllabus. So these are the deleted chapter we are discussing. After that, in unit 8, the name of the unit is biology and human welfare. So chapter 9, that is the strategy for enhancement in food production, it is removed from the syllabus. In the unit 9th, biotechnology and its application, there is the no change. There are the 2 chapter in it and there is the no change. After that, the unit 10th is there, and in this unit we can say ecology and environment. So in this unit 2 chapters are removed. First, that is the ecosystem, and second is the environmental issues. So both these chapters are removed from your syllabus. So how many chapters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how many total chapters in class 12? In class 12 there are the total 16 chapters. And out of those 16 chapters, 5 chapters are removed. So how many are left now? 11 chapters are left in your class 12th. So the students, those who are preparing for the board exam, so you have to make your different strategy to plan for the board exam. So you have to keep in mind that these chapters are deleted from your syllabus and how you have to do your preparation. So don't read that topic that is not given in your syllabus, that is reduced from the syllabus. So plan accordingly, according to the new revised syllabus. Now we will discuss the blueprint of class 12th also. Now the blueprint of class 12th. So in class 12 there are the 5 unit, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So this 6th unit reproduction, it carry 14 marks, and in this unit you can say first chapter is removed and only 2nd, 3rd and 4th now it is left. After that, the 7th unit is genetics, and this unit carry 18 marks, and from this unit now chapter 7 is removed and only which chapter is left? 5th and 6th. So we can write here the left chapters. Next, unit 8, that is biology and human welfare. This unit carry 14 marks, and there were the 3 chapters in this unit. Now only 2 chapters are left, 8th and 10th. 9th is removed. Then 9th unit, biotechnology and its application. There is the no changes in this unit. This unit carry 12 marks and only 2 chapters are there, and both the chapters are same. chapters are same. After that, the unit 10th is there. This unit is ecology and environment, and this unit carry 12 marks. So from this unit we can say, in this unit 4 chapters were there, and out of 4, 2 are removed, chapter 14 and 16. So now the chapter left, that is chapter 13 and 15. So that is the blueprint. These total units carry the 70 marks, and there will be the 30 marks practicals. So that is the syllabus of class 12th, reduced syllabus, or we can say the revised syllabus, class 12th biology. And so you have to plan accordingly. This is due to the COVID-19. Thank you.